That's the difference with proper team on it, me and Carl. Persevered, look, even had rebar in it. Now it's soft. So we'll just dig it a couple of inch more. We don't give up with a bit of cat litter like some we could mention. Good morning, lovely Monday. We're here again. Oof, flipping it. Come down last night, it's not so bad at the minute, but it's focused to rain again. What are we on with today? Hopefully get this sort of 90-95% done. We're hoping the big gates will be ready in Gal. Well, we're hoping about dinner time so we can at least get the post set in, and then tomorrow we can just go put the gate leaves on, and then I'll put some angles on bottom because it's on a fully slope. So we can do all that tomorrow morning, get it done. Lads should be here soon. Well, actually Jamie's on holiday, I think Tenerife he went. He's on holiday this week. Baggy and Carl more or less loaded up there anyway, so yeah, I shall get opened up now in office, and just got a quote that we're working on that me and Carl went to last week. School we've been working on for 18 months, 2 years, so I shall get that sorted out and get back to you soon.
Well, this has changed a bit since we were here a couple of weeks ago. All these trees are down now. I think we've got a bit of log moving to do because these are quite far into where the fence line we're going to be going, so I'll have a word with you anyway. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Someone's not happy. Universe sees all man's doing and cries. 30 trees that were my friends. I love them all.
I did. I saved the tree.
You sure did, man. Okay, guys, she's all yours.
Yeah, me and Carl on site here. Becca on, it's not a very good start. We'll bolt that one, it's first stall here. It's absolutely solid. And this one's going to be a single gate. And we've got a double gate going across here. And we're going to bolt from there. It's actually in line, I don't know if you can see that. I've put a line up wall there. Now, that's actually his line, so if I stand here, there's one straight line across there, his gate's going there. They're going to have to come out because these are opening out. And then this fencing's going just round there, and then it's just going in line with this building here. I don't know why, but apparently we're going to do that later. Doesn't really make sense, does it? But there you go. I don't think the new tenants have actually signed the leases yet, so until we've got it signed they're not willing to do that, so anyway, I'll get off. Hopefully we'll get this posting soon. It's coming out in right small bits. That's the difference with proper team on it, me and Carl. Persevered, look, even had rebar in it. Now it's soft, so we'll just dig it a couple of inch more. We don't give up with a bit of cat litter like some we could mention. A little bit done now. I'll tell you what, that's been a hard dig, that, Carl, hasn't it?
Yeah, solid concrete pad, hasn't it?
Proper solid, but we ain't giving. We've got them down to more or less thingy height. Proper solid, them, they'll never move in a million years. Proper line is that, by the way. So we're just going to move over now. Gates aren't ready till today, so we've got a hole to dig there and one to dig there for big gates. We'll get them in the morning. We're just going to bolt this post here wherever the full section runs out, and then a few sections around there. We'll get them in this afternoon.
Lads have cracked on here Monday morning.
Morning. We're back here again. Straight gate post, there's his gate post lot. One there, we bought Big Becca. We even got Baggy. So yeah, we're going to get this gate post in there, and then we've just got I think it's 3 posts to dig around here, and then we'll just finish in there. You know, been one of those days up and down today, but we're getting there now. We've got the posts in, they actually dug better than we thought. We've just got a little piece to do there tomorrow. Obviously hang gates, put them on, take these down, but we've finished this bit now as well. Got that gate post in. It just goes around the corner nice. It's weird because they're just ending there. A bit of a funny one this, because we're working for the client who's sort of got the contract to do all this up, and then the new clients coming in are paying for this strip there. But they're not going to pay for it until they've signed the lease, which I think is going through at minute. Strange one really. So we're going to come back and do that anyway, but it'd be nice to do whilst we were here, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, we're going to make us way back to the yard now. Probably just empty this van, I think, Baggy. So yeah, we'll see ya back at the yard. What an absolute awful day. We've got Baggy and car loaded up. We're just going up to get them big gates on where we've been at your away there. And then we've got to cut some pails to suit slope and stuff. And hopefully we'll get to Carlton Mills and just do some little bits on some gates, like adjust gas closer we put on and blah blah blah. And then we should be up there the rest of the week, Carlton Mills. So hopefully get this your away job boxed off today. I'm just going to have an hour in office because I've been on site last 2 days, so I've got a load of emails to catch up on, stuff like that. So I'm just going to have an hour here and then probably go meet them. Well, I'll see what they're like before I set off. They might not need me, but if they do, I'll go give them a hand.
So another job finished. Well, for the time being anyway, we've got a run still to do. This front section here, which some politics going on at the minute. But yeah, come down there. We've got a push pad exit gate there. Big 7.5 metre palisade gate. We just had to put a bit of a bottom on that corner for cap. All looking nice. There's a nice line continuing down here, this bottom section. Yeah, walk round. Get my steps in. There's all the trees that were being cut down earlier this week. Last week, should I say. Nice weather for ducks.
Yeah.
Back of that electric box, and then another small section here with another set of gates. Just put some Maggie's just put some tubes in here for drop bolts. And we're good to go.
Good morning, Thursday already. What better day today? Let's hope it stays a bit brighter. We're starting this at Carlton Mills. Just hanging about for a delivery for another decent job we've got coming up. I thought, oh God, I'll end up hanging about all morning. Anyway, he's just rung me. Said he's going to be in about 20 minutes, so timed that perfect. We're just running a bit low on his post mix, so I'm going to shoot and go get another pallet once I've sorted this delivery out. By the time I've unloaded and done my bits and get up to meet them, they were just adjusting. Carl put a gas closer on the front gate for them last week, which their access control guy should have done, but he didn't, so we ended up doing it. And they're just complaining it's a bit stiff, so we're just going to move it. It has different settings, like pre-drilled holes on the bracket thing, so we're just hoping if we move that, then that should do it. So we don't usually get involved a lot with them. You know, if Matt did it, he'd sort that, and he'd usually put an hydraulic one on, but they weren't sort of willing to pay that. They just wanted a gas one on. So anyway, it is what it is. So yeah, they're going to sort that out and put some blanking plates on the gates so people can't get their foot on it. I shall get the truck sorted now, get gates opened in anticipation of him coming, get him backed up into here, and then I'll unload it and put it there, and then when he's moved I'll put it to here. So yeah, all good in the hood. Yeah, so just getting away, they've got radio on. We're back at Carlton Mills. You see it there, yeah? Basically we're just doing this front bit here. We're just putting like some mesh sort of plates on gates just to stop kids climbing. just so they haven't got a foothold on them. Nice little neat affair that. And Carl's adjusted the closer on it. Where is it? Sorry, it's there, that one. I mean, we didn't do the access control on that, we just put new gates on. We're going to start installing fencing then, I think, so yeah, we'll get round back and get fencing going. After now, we're cracking on here. Here installing new 358 mesh. Got a few in there, look. You can see what's cracking on there. Just got to make sure this gate's shut. The kids come out for the break. I'm going to sneak through there and then we'll come down here. Nice line is that. Look at that, beautiful. And we've just got, I think we've got 2 more to get in. A good start. Once we dig the hole, go 6 in. All by his load, plumbing it up.
Ready?
Yep, born ready.
The big oil, that one.
Can't go anywhere. I'm playing,
I've got 2 more, I think. That's it. I better do my job and get him another. There's 3 more baggy, I think. So we get 2 posts, can't we? 2 in one and set other one up here. And then tomorrow, just 1, 2. It's not going to be far off a panel, is it? Better decide how we're going to fix this.
Side like we had up there.
I think we're going to have to do, aren't we? Anyway, better get the rest of the mix out. Friday again already. Seems to have gone doubly quick this week, this job. But we're just going to carry on posting for it. The posts are already on. We've already loaded there from yesterday. We've already loaded this post mix, so just want us tools on. This is the job that I took delivery of yesterday, which is that one there, crank post, and there are the panels for it there. I'm just trying to remember what this job's for. I can't actually remember. 358 there. That's no idea, can't remember. Yeah, we've just pulled up to Carton Mills here. We've actually got us vans tucked inside in school, but all kids will be turning up. Literally they all come past us here, so there's no point starting now. We might as well have a quick sandwich now, have 20 minutes and let them sort of get into school. Well, it's, what is it, nearly 1/2 so yeah, 20 minutes, half an hour. Well, I've just got back to the yard and realised I never did a video when I was on site there. We got posted what we had to, well, what we set out to do today. A bit easier than we thought actually. It's only dinner time and we're done, but we're out of water, nearly out of mix, so I'm not going to come all the way back and then go back again, so it is what it is. We're going to go to pub, I think, for an hour. Sod it. So yeah, you know, I think I might as well call it here, because all we're going to do is just unload van now. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Why not comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.